Hello everybody and welcome to Unboxing Doozy. Today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A10. Let's have a look at the box. It's not sealed in plastic and I like that. It's an entry model Samsung phone. A Samsung Galaxy A10 written on the side. Alright, let's look at the back. It has some specs on there. We'll go deeper into that a bit later. Alright, let's open up the box. Let's see, I need to cut one sticker on the bottom. There it is, and one sticker on the top, and not stab myself whilst doing it. Right, now the phone should just slide out. Here it is, the manuals are on top. And now just need to catch this little guy with a little bit of luck. Alright, there it is, the Samsung Galaxy A10. Let's get it out of the box. Put it to the side for now. Straight away I see we got some freebies from Samsung. 32 gigabytes, thank you very much. We got the power cord with micro USB support. And of course the adapter, all in white. Let's see what else we got. Some headphones. Let me get them out of the plastic and see what kind of headphones they are. Okay, so straight away I can see these are gonna be really cheap ones. Really basic headphones. Alright, let's clean it up. Oh well, wait. Here's also the SIM card ejector tool, not to forget. So that is it, all the accessories you get with the phone. So finally, here is the phone. Let's have a better look at it. Let's first remove this plastic. And straight away you can see it has a surprisingly beautiful design for a budget smartphone. It comes in dark gray, blue, or like this one, black. Doesn't look very black to me, but alright. Let's see, on the bottom you have the 3mm jack, the micro USB port, and of course the microphone. On top the second microphone. Let's get this little plastic thing off. On the right side you got the power button and the volume rocker, and on the left side the card slot. So in front you got the 5 megapixel camera, and in the back there is a 13 megapixel camera. Let's start it up and see how it looks. So the phone itself has 32 gigabytes of storage, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and LTE support. You can see the screen looks really nice. I love the contrast. The only sad thing is that Samsung did not include a brightness sensor or a fingerprint scanner, and also there's no notification LED. Let's have a quick scroll through the menu. Yeah, it works really nice. So there it is, the Samsung Galaxy A10. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.